guys, it's the new girl Melica Skylife in the building. You want one of them? I'm currently at the market. Today is Tuesday. Down here look so stuff. You don't know how to live in, but me I drink one sky juice. Down here hot like a fire. I'm gonna talk to you from when, and I've been so busy, guys, because you know, so basically me have to work from home full time now, and not on my 9 to 5 job, like on my own stuff, and that's hard. Like on the business, guys, it's hard stuff. Every day me have to up and down on Oxford, between Oxford, the post office, between dealing with my team, the person that I'm responsible for, between creating content for my Skylife Fitness Solution page. It's a lot of work, my niggas. So, entrepreneurship, I respect everybody that's an entrepreneur, like full time. Like for a very long time, I've always said that I wanted to work from home full time and automatic. Now this coronavirus come, and working from home is not an option for me. Like I have to do it, you know. And I must say the most money that I've made online is since I've been at home full time since the COVID-19, and I'm so appreciative of everybody that's supporting me, because one of them clean self and be things. If you guys are interested in working from home, definitely hit me up. Great opportunity. Hit me up on Skylife Fitness Solution. I will answer you quicker on that, because the other platforms I'm just so busy. So I'm helping a lot of people starting their own business. I want to help 100 people by now and year end. So if you want to be a part of that number, please send me a direct message, leave a comment below, I'll get back to you, or you can contact me on get the number, get your phone, get your number, get your pen on 876-395-0990. 876-395-0990. Send me a WhatsApp. You get through? You get through? Come like a shot. Shot? No, say shot. Drinking something before it melts up, because it tastes fresh when you can't get a drink. Can't drink.
Nice man. Fresh one. Put the nose. Stop, man.
So yeah, hit me up on 395-0990 if you want to start your business, work from home, make anywhere from like about $500 a week. You know, if you position yourself, you can make that much. So on the road, I'm gonna check in with you guys later. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and show the love. Hi guys, I don't know your girl Melica Skylife in the building. Y'all are the dem. I haven't vlogged such a long time. I've been so busy. As I told you guys, entrepreneurship thing, yeah, mash it down to nothing, I'm to tell you. So I took a lot of time to regroup, recuperate, position my mind to, you know, get a lot of work done. If you're not following me on Skylife Fitness Solution, please do so. This is the hill. Where hill there? That hill here curve go down. That's the hill I be running up a morning time. Got me out of breath. It's about 1 o'clock now. Sun hot like a fire. I'm walking to my drive. So that me I deal with right now. I'm gonna go in town. I'm gonna take off this off of my head soon. I wrap my naturally here. I'm gonna get my hair done tomorrow. I'm gonna deliver a NutriBurst and a raspberry tea. So I'm gonna meet the person to drop off this. You don't know, say entrepreneurship consists a lot of work. Hi, morning. Yeah? What you say?
You tap up my finger now.
Which finger you suck?
You tap up your finger, yeah.
Okay. But you already saw kill goat? You actually kill goat already? Where are the bugs?
On the farm, killing some goat.
So, that I goat one now. I tell you one salt for. Tywin favorite part this time now. Miss you out. So that I'm doing now kill some goat on the road. And bait him.
I'm passing a gaga side, man. Gaga.
No man, dip up water and choke on that.
Oh, you know me, I go down side.
Water boil up, man.
Yeah, I'm go for them some food and go down.
Eh? So guys, I got them up already now. Them a cook goat belly soup. And all our vibes. I got my water. Where you go, boy? Yeah, come with me. This is Kwaji. I don't know if you guys know him. You look like my picnic, boy. Look like I'm my boy. Anyways, Kwaji, you can't come. You're not afraid to go back? You're not afraid?
No.
Run. Come, give me a, let me give you a joke. That's a cow over there and you're a boy. So what that? Cowboy. Run. Cowboy. Tywin, Kwaji, this is Sky and this is a juice. So what that? Sky juice. Run. Hey, I'm such a joker. So, yeah, so I'm going to Knoxford Express. I'm going to meet one of my customers, set up something with them online, and do a little training with them as well. And then I'll link up with my BF. You don't know. Guys, take note of my skin. My skin is improving 100% thanks to my turmeric soap and the turmeric and honey scrub. I really feel underarm, but I'm put it on my face and it work. Baby, come give me something on. What's it dance to me? Yeah. I can't stop loving you. Later, go on back now. Run, go on back. Mama watch you. Uncle over there, so. Kwaji, them up there, so. Bye-bye. Me I gotta be. No. Yes. You have to go bathe and sit. You're not bathe later. So guys, I end up have a walk come down on main road and I take a little shortcut. And I tell them I forgot pass on Peter Bridger. Tell myself that I now come back over it. Watch it. So guys, this is the bridge. Watch it. You know much time I dream to drop off of the bridge? Tell her you're afraid of it. Oh dear. Oh god. Oi. That's the bridge. Tax office line is crazy long. Right. Don't come at tax office. Ridiculous. Wow. From when I come at the dentist, so I'm actually going to clean my teeth now. I didn't plan for it, but I'm gonna do it nonetheless. So now basically I'm going to a phone store. I dropped my iPhone X. I'm going to a phone store to get the touch. My touch now work on my phone, and I used to use and record most of my stuff then. See them I go check this or I forgot order a part online. I'm gonna buy one charger too, so I don't me I do right now. I'm gonna see how much $1,000 for that now. Because it's a phone expensive. Cause when I new iPhone them. So guys, your girl's all glammed up. I am heading to get my phone fixed. I decided to just get my phone fixed now because I need it to do my business and stuff. Like, girl are glowing? No, sir. Come for your wife. So guys, I'm finally home. You go see your Punki create excitement for me. Bet, how much you bet me? Walk into the house. Stephanie! It's here, man.
Melissa,
Yeah.
I got something I know.
Good boy. Eh? What? We know see I create excitement for me. I was telling the vlog.